Hi Rob, this is the lodge that I was talking about. It's the Atlas
Victory Park View.
Victory Park View, that's it. 40 foot by 20 foot, 2023 model, 22 model. Hasn't been used, it's brand new. Come in and have a look. Comes with this beautiful deck. This is the utility room that you walk into. You've got washing machines and everything you need there. Boilers just on the right there. Come through and have a look. Tell me what you think. I'll open these doors up so we can get a through breeze in it. It's quite warm. There we go. Loads of space. There's a double bed in this particular settee here, which pulls out, so it sleeps six comfortably. It's big, it's spacious. The kitchen, got a dishwasher. Integrated fridge freezer. We've got a combination microwave oven. We've also got the oven and a 5-ring burner. Loads of storage space in this particular one though. Loads of storage.
Is that a sneaky wine cooler I spot here, Damo?
Sneaky little wine cooler down the bottom there, yeah. You've got skylights in here as well to let in extra light. Some beautiful views. I don't know if you can see over in the distance there though. This is the theme park that we've got on park. That opens up tomorrow, at 11:30. If you come to this side, look through the back there, you've got the rolling hills. Just over the back there's the golf course as well. So I've done the cheeky 5 off. Right, back to the lodge. Go through the back, have a look, see how it's all set out. It's hat and coat cupboards. You don't normally see them in lodges. Again, big and spacious, ample storage. Did you see this cloakroom area as well? Have you got? Did you get that on the video? That'd be nice for people to see. Like I say, loads of storage space in this particular unit. Between room, double bed, the 3 foot wide beds, huge, loads of space in here, and it's also got another shower room, en suite.
Oh, you've got another door.
Jack and Jill they call it, Jack and Jill. It's double glazed, essentially heated. This is on the market for £140,000. If you've got any questions, give us a call. My name's Damien. The telephone number is 07976 827734. And if you want a little space to put your Christmas tree in, look, see, we've got a loft hatch. Cool. Thank you for watching. Any questions, give us a call.